Welcome to Leatherback Brewing Company. We are the largest craft brewery in the Virgin Islands. We've been open since May of 2018, so we just celebrated our 5-year anniversary. And our plan is to just be the craft beer of the Caribbean. We can and keg beer, because can is better for craft beer. And we distribute throughout the U.S. Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, and Southern Florida, with hopes to be along the east coast of the U.S. very soon. Yeah, we opened with full intention of taking all credit cards, and that's actually probably about 80% of our retail is done through credit cards. And that's grown exponentially as we've grown. In 2018, we'd be taking maybe $20,000 in credit cards a month. That's ballooned up now to probably $80,000 a month versus credit card sales. And yeah, it's been a necessary part of the retail operations of our business. The wholesale is a little bit different. That's done through ACHs with distributors. But our retail business, for the longest time was higher income than our wholesale as we developed this product and found distributors to sell this to. So having a point of sale system that's very reliable was very important to us. We've been with Salty Locs for 5 months, and if we did have issues, they were immediately addressed. That's one of the reasons we love Salty Locs, is the communication's always there. Any given time, we can pick up the phone and call our account representative, JP in this case, and you know what? He's on it right away. And he's either showing up here himself and fixing it, or making sure that we're getting new replacement equipment immediately. I would recommend Salty Locs to just about anybody, and I have already.